Hi, Steve, WichitaFixit.com. We had a situation here where a customer did a little mudding on their own. As you can see, there's some issues. It's just real heavy. I've already knocked a bunch of it off, but you just don't need to put it this heavy. I'll turn the camera around. That's a little bit better camera. The way I do it, these are all problem spots. You get yourself a 10-inch, 12-inch knife and just simply run it down. And this is 5-minute mud, so it's starting to dry. Run it down like that. There's another little area right here. Now all that's ready to just hit it with a little bit of sandpaper. And you'll have all those marks gone. My mud's drying. Steve, WichitaFixit.com. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, do whatever you're supposed to do. Thank you, appreciate it.